In 1932, Australia faced a strange enemy. Not another nation, but emus. Large, flightless birds. Tens of thousands of them began invading farmland in Western Australia. They trampled crops and broke fences, ruining harvests. Farmers called for help, and the army was sent in with machine guns. The plan seemed simple. Shoot the emus, reduce their numbers, protect the farms. But the birds were faster than expected. They scattered into small groups, dodging bullets and disappearing into the bush. In the first battles, soldiers fired thousands of rounds, but killed only a few dozen birds. The emus seemed to adapt, avoiding open areas and moving at night. After weeks of failed attempts, the army withdrew in defeat. The press mocked the event, calling it the Great Emu War. To this day, it stands as one of the few recorded cases where humans lost a war to birds.